So here we have Nova. Max, what are you doing? Here we have Nova walking. Good girl, Nova. She's been trying to hang out by me. Good girl. Good girl, Nova. Nikita. And Kiska's in there walking around too. A little bit ago, both were trying to eat some food. Come on, Max, be good. Max, be nice to the puppy, okay? Good girl, Nova. Nova's pretty good about wanting to stay by people. Kiska just wants to have fun. There you go, good girl, Nova. Come on, Nova. Come on, Nova. Good girl. Good girl, Nova. So yeah, they were both trying to eat food, which is good. They put it in their mouth and sucked on it and moved their mouths. I don't think they could actually eat it yet. And oh, Kiska, did you get tired? And Kiska was actually cleaning herself, so. Kiska, or Nova's trying to eat food. Oops. Good girl, Nova. Good girl. Kiska, you're having, I think you're tired. You're having walking issues there, sweetheart. Yeah. I think you're having some walking issues. Yeah. Where did Nova just go? Nova! You moved far. Kiska's trying to eat my pants. Nikita, it's okay. Nova! 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 Come on. Come on, good girl, Nova. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Max, no. Oh, you're fine. Nikita, it's okay. Hi, Max. Gator, it's fine. Nikita. Kiska, why are you trying to bite me? Nova. Trying to rip your tummy. Kiska, why are you biting me? Kiska. Kiska, you're not gonna bite. No. No bites. No bites. Come here, Kiska. Come here, Kiska. Hang on a second. I'm trying to get her on her tummy or on her back. So I can do this. Hi, Kiska. Hi, Kiska. You're like a panda bear. You're like a panda bear. Look at those paws. Look how big your tootsie's got. Look how big your tootsie's got. Look at how big your tootsie's got, Kiska. Good girl. Okay, roll over. Roll over. Nova's hiding behind me. Come here, Nova. Nova's turn. Oh my goodness. Alright, who do we got? Did I grab Nova? Yep, let's set the phone down just for a second. Hey, Nova. Hi. Hey, Nova. A second, I'm trying to get some of the... I dewormed them earlier and they've got white lips like milk. There you go. You got a little bit of white stuff still around your lips from the dewormer. Hey, Nova. Oh, that was lightning. Oh, Nova. Oh, Nova. Good girl. Look at your paws. Look at those big paws. Look at those paws. The thunder. So, Nova has two blue eyes. I know you can't really tell in this picture, this video. She has two blue eyes. And Kiska has one brown eye and one blue eye, which is like a watcher's eye. I have a couple huskies like that, so. You're just so chill. You're the more chill one. Yeah. You chill. Chill like a villain. Chill like a villain. You still got some... What is that? Oh, yeah, it was on your mouth. And you got your teethies coming in. You got your teethies coming in. I don't know if I can get it or not. No. Only a little bit right there. I'll get it more with flash tomorrow. I just need to charge my phone up more. So where she likes to tilt her head, she doesn't really like her neck being touched for some reason on this side. So I gotta get her used to that. Right. Ah.